Hey guys, Andrew here from reviewskingdom.com. Welcome to my Kyza review. I'm here inside the members area and today I'm going to give you a full demo and run through what this is now works. I'm also going to share with you the full details that you need to know about Kyza, the pricing details, the upsells, the discounts, and I got you covered with the best, most exclusive bonus package that you can get your hands on if you decided that Kyza is good fit for you. Now, in a nutshell, what is Kyza? It's essentially a cloud-based app that contains a bunch of tools. We have a landing page builder, we have a graphic branding kit, we have an AI-powered opt-in and pop-up creator, and we also have an email autoresponder that will allow you to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers. All this for just a one-time fee. So if you are interested to know more about this, then definitely stick with me during this review. I'm gonna go inside the members area and share each and every tool in just a minute. But before we do that, if you'd like to pick this up anytime during watching this video, all you have to do is get yourself to my bonus page by clicking on the first link down below in the description. If you are watching on YouTube, if you came from Google or from my email, you would already be on here. Just scroll down and you'll find the blue button. When you click on the blue button, you're going to be taken straight to the sales page where you can click on buy now and grab your copy. And I'm going to have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear, and that's something I don't want you to miss out on. These bonuses are exclusive to me. They are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart mine. So bear in mind, if you like access to Kyza plus all my bonuses, you have to pick it up through me. Now, my bonuses are, so the first bonus, I'm going to give you exclusive access to 150,000 buyers email list. And these are buyer leads that previously bought products on Warrior Plus in JVZoo. And what you can do is you can download this email list and upload it to your Kyza account under the mail autoresponder and start emailing them with different JVZoo and Warrior Plus offers. And you can make easy commissions using the strategy. Now, this is going to be available for the first 10 people that pick up Kyza through me, so make sure to pick it up as soon as possible to secure this amazing bonus. Bonus number 2 is going to be my funnel builder software. This will allow you to build funnels just like the one that you are going to get inside of Kyza, but this is so much more customizable because it's basically unlocked with all the features. You get far more features that you are gonna get inside of the front end of Kyza. So it's a really good and powerful funnel builder. You're gonna get access to it as my second bonus. Third bonus, I'm gonna give you access to my personal email software. Again, this is another software that will allow you to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers with no monthly fees. This is a software that you can import the email leads that I'm going to give you in my first bonus. You can import them to this software as well and start mailing these lists with your offers with no monthly fees, because you're going to get it absolutely for free. Bonus number 4, you're going to get 100 done for you affiliate campaigns. Now, what you can do is you can download these pages as PHP and you can re-upload them to your Kyza account under the funnel builder, and they'll be hosted under the Kyza platform or under the Kyza cloud-based app. So you don't have to run a hosting yourself. You just upload these campaigns. All you have to do is replace your affiliate link or my affiliate link with yours, and you are good to go. You can start sending traffic to these campaigns and generate upwards of $1,000 per campaign. Bonus number 5, I'm going to give you 5 down for you high ticket campaigns that will make you $1,000 per sale. Bonus number 6, I'm going to give you 15,000 down for you email swipes in all the niches. So you can copy and paste these email swipes to get 500 more click-through rates to your emails. In bonus number 7, you're going to get all the vendor bonuses mentioned on the sales page. So somewhere here around the sales page, we have the bonuses, we have the live training, we have the list building video training, and we also have the email marketing training and the internet marketing for complete beginners video training. So you're going to get all these bonuses on top of my other 6 bonuses absolutely free of charge when you pick up the front end of Kyza through clicking one of these blue buttons. Now, if you are looking for the bundle link, it's going to be the red button right here. So rather than clicking on the blue button, you can click on the red button and get the full funnel for a discounted price. So rather than paying for the front end plus all the upsells for $815, you can get it for a whopping $297 with a 63% discount. Just click on here and you'll be taken to the bundle link, which is gonna look something like this. This is a limited time offer, so you need to take action on this if you want it, and you can use the code bundle 10 to get 10% off your purchase. So you click on here, you're gonna pick up the bundle deal, which will include the commercial version, that lead, the enterprise, agency, and fast action bonuses. So all of these are going to be for $297, which is going to be the front end plus the first 3 upsells. The 4th upsell is not included because it's access to their academy, so they can't actually give away something so valuable with such a low price, but it's still a pretty good deal. Like, you can save yourself $518 when you pick up the bundle. But anyways, it's not necessary. You can pick up the front end for just $34.95, and you still get so much value with my bonuses. Now, when you pick up the front end, you also get access to all my 7 bonuses like I previously mentioned. And if you decided to upgrade, we have additional OTO or bundle bonuses. So we have these additional bonuses. When you pick up the upgrade, you're gonna get 700,000 USA email lists. So rather than getting 150,000 on the front end, you're gonna get 700,000 when you pick up the bundle. So it's like 3 or 4 times more the amount of leads, and you can imagine having a 700,000 email on your list that you can email every day with different offers. If you just get 0.1%, so if we type in on Google 0.1% of 700,000. So this is 0.7 thousand, which is actually 700. If you get 700 clicks to your offers every day, you are almost guaranteed to make sales. So this is an absolute no-brainer. This is going to be available for 7 people only, and you must grab the bundle to get access to this bonus. Bonus number 2 is whether you grab any upsell or OTO, you're gonna get access to all my past bonuses in the past 30 days. In bonus number 3, this is first of its kind. We have never done this before. I'm gonna give you a do it with you one-on-one access to me. So you get access to me via Skype or Messenger, where we're gonna talk about Kyza. You can ask me all your questions. I'm gonna help you set up your accounts. All you have to do is at least pick up 2 audios or grab the bundle, and you're gonna be eligible to me. So you're gonna get straight access to me. I'm gonna answer all your questions, and I'm gonna help you set up your web pages and get started with the Kyza autoresponder. I'm also gonna help you with anything you want. I'm gonna log into your account and help you with everything you want regarding Kyza. So this is a limited bonus for 5 people only. Make sure to take action if you want access to these bonuses. So as you can see, the first bonus, you must grab the bundle. The second one, all you have to do is grab one of the upsells if you want to. And the third one is gonna be, you must at least pick up 2 upgrades or more. So if you pick up the bundle, you basically gonna get all these 3 bonuses on top of the 7 bonuses, and you're gonna get like massive value for just $297. So I highly urge you to take action on the bundle. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the members area. Let me show you what you're gonna get here. So this is the dashboard right here.
Select any.
Let me just pause the demo video. So this is the dashboard right here, where you'll be able to get all your information. You can start creating your pages, pop-ups, autoresponders, and forms right from the dashboard. So you just click, for example, on create page, and it will take you to the page section. So it's gonna take us straight to the page section. Now on the page section, we have a menu right here on the left sidebar, and we have the profit pages, we have the share mojo, we have the reports, the library, and the settings. So first we have the profit pages. Here you can start creating your profit pages. This is basically their funnel builder. So you just click on create new page, and we're gonna name it, for example, Andrew test funnel. And you can also change the name or slug right here it's going to be hosted on their own domain, so you don't need the hosting. I'm not sure if you can integrate your own domain on the front end. We're going to check back with the price and upsells later, but anyways, let's just click on create and it will take us to the next step. Now we can choose from these done for you funnels right here. They have a lead funnel, they have a promo, a viral funnel, a webinar funnel, a sales pages. You can choose from different sales pages, and we have others. So you can choose from variety of templates. We have a lot of templates right here, and when you hover over them, you can either preview them or select them. So it will literally take me hours to go over the pages tool. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go and preview, for example, this funnel. I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and straight away click on select. So once you click on select, it's gonna take a few seconds to take you to the next step. So we're gonna wait for it to select our funnel or our lead capture page. So we're gonna wait for it. It's gonna take a few seconds. So it took about a minute, but there you go. Here is the page loaded. Now what I can do is I can click on the gear right here. I can select my autoresponder and I can add my autoresponder so I can gather leads once people opt in. I can go ahead and click on design and choose different sections. I can edit the logo. I can remove it. As you can see, if I click on hide here, the logo won't be here. If I click on show, the logo is back on, and I can go ahead and basically customize everything right here. You can change the text. So for example, here I'm gonna type in Andrew King rocks, and basically you get the idea. It's a funnel builder. You take your time with it. We also have an SEO page. Now you're not gonna get any SEO from this because it's hosted on their domain. So you're not gonna get any SEO traffic. I'm telling you right now, you need to drive the traffic yourself. But anyways, once you are done, you can click on save page, or you can completely publish it if you want to. And once it's saved, it's gonna show you the success message. You can also click on preview, which will open up the preview page. You can preview it on a tablet, mobile, and all the devices basically. So this is what it does essentially. You can take your time with it. I'm not gonna go ahead and go over the entire library because this will literally take me hours to explain everything. But basically, it's a web page builder. Check out the tutorials to learn how to actually use all the tools. We also have the settings version. Where you can go to a business right here. You can add your custom domain. I'm not sure if this is one of the upsells or not. Anyways, we also have the social mojo. I think this is where you get to share your funnels on different social media. So the social mojo, you just click on create a social mozo, and then you name your social mozo. You choose one of the pages and you click on create, and I think it will automatically schedule your content on to go out on your own social media. So as you can see, this was published on Twitter timeline and on Tumblr. So it's basically a social media automation tool. The reports, where you get all your reports about your profit pages and your social mozo as well. The library, where you find all your files that you have uploaded, and also stock images that you can use. And the settings, I previously explained that you can add your custom domain, social media, and business information. So this is the first section of the software, which is the page builder. Next, we have the pop-up builder. So if you click here on pop-up, it will take you straight to the pop-up software. And here on the side, on the left side right here, we have the projects, we have the campaigns, segments, library, reports, and settings. So it's basically the same exact system. You just click on add new campaign, you select one of the projects. So before, we need to go ahead to go to projects and name our project. So for example, Andrew pop-up test 101. So this is my new project. I have created it. Then I'm gonna go to campaigns, click on add new campaign, select the project that I just created. So I'm gonna scroll down and find my project. Here it is, and I'm gonna type in a campaign name, so Andrew pop-up, for example. Then we're gonna click on add, and we're gonna select from the done for you templates. It's the same exact system. They have like hundreds of templates right here that you can select from, so you can hover over them and preview or select them. So for example, let me just preview this one. So I really like this pop-up. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on select, and it will take a few seconds up to minutes to load up the page. So here is the actual pop-up. Now I can edit it. I can remove the logo, remove the women, make it smaller, change the text, change the font, play around with everything. You can always click on the gear to hide any one of these elements, and that's basically it. So you will change everything. So let's say 95% discount. So we have, let's say, Kyza ultimate review. This is just an example. You can take your time with this and create the best looking pop-up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go and select this one, and I'm gonna go ahead and select this text and remove it. I don't want this text. I can go ahead and select the button, and I can click on link, and I can link to another page. So let's say I want to link to my bonus page. So let me just go back here, click on link, and paste my bonus page link, and click on enter, and it will go ahead and link back to my bonus page. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna click on either save as a draft or publish. You can always preview it, or you can click on undo to undo the previous action. So I'm just gonna click on publish, and here we go. So it's already created. You just add it to a new segment. If you want to, you can go back to segments and create your segments. So let's say I want to add it to a traffic segment, or there isn't a discount one, so early buyer segment or a test Kyza segment. Then we're gonna choose whether to show on the whole website or a specific location or website. And we also gonna go ahead and choose whether it contains a certain value. So for example, if I type in like Kyza or Andrew King, so if I type in Andrew King, it will go ahead and show up on my page that we previously created on my landing page. So here we're gonna choose the opt-in, whether it's a landing page, exit, roll, or delay. So on the landing page, I wanted to show, is it a bounce, bounce in, bounce up, bounce down? So this is the action or the entry animation. So we're gonna choose, for example, flash. This is gonna flash our visitors. And on the exit animation, I'm gonna choose bounce out, for example, or I can choose here bounce in and bounce out. So bounce up and bounce down, for example. And you can set the minimum, so the number of times this campaign is shown to visitors. So I'm gonna type in something like 9999. So I want unlimited visitors to view this, and the maximum limit on one session, so one visitor will view it twice only. So it will show up twice to each and every single specific IP. We're gonna select a start date, so you're gonna go ahead and select a start date and an end date. So for example, we're gonna choose from the 28th of February up until, let's say, the 1st or the 2nd of March. And you can also choose the time right here, so 5 a.m. Here we're gonna choose, for example, 4 p.m. Then we're gonna click on save and activate, and our campaign will be active. Now you can go ahead and go back to status. You can activate it or deactivate it. As you can see, our Andrew pop-up is actually active. You can click here and you can edit it, view it, duplicate it, view reports, and delete it. So there is a lot of information and a lot to play with. We also have the library, we have the reports, and we have the settings. So you can go to user profile, you can adjust every information you need right here, like your first name, last name, email, contact, and Skype, and so on and so forth. Next, we have the after we checked out the pop-up, we're gonna go straight to the mail. So this is one of the most interesting parts of the Kyza software. This is actually the email software. This will allow you to send out emails. So here on the drop down menu, we have the list. So if you click on list, you can create a new list. You can name your list. So Andrew King subs, and we can choose on create. I'm not gonna choose double opt-in. So once my list is created, I can go to actions and click on add. And I can either upload my subscribers from my PC, which if you picked up the front end, you're gonna get 150,000 subscribers that you can upload to your Kyza account. You can also upload 700,000 subscribers if you pick up the bundle. So it's pretty much a no-brainer. Now, if you pick up the bundle, you also get the front end bonuses. Anyways, you can upload from PC. You can add each and every subscriber at a time, or you can copy and paste. So if you have your list on a sheet, you can copy them and paste them straight away. So if I go here and click here, you're just gonna paste the email addresses. You can add them to a specific tag. Then you click on next and you are basically good to go. So it's gonna be automatically added to your list. Now, once you have your list, once you have subscribers added to your list, you can go to the subscriber section. You can either add subscribers, all subscribers, so you can view the subscribers, suspension list, and custom fields. Next, we have the message, which is the either the newsletter or autoresponder. So you can set up a newsletter right here. You just click on create newsletter, and you choose whether you want to use the inline editor or add your own text editor, which is actually the HTML editor. So I'm going to go back and choose the inline editor because that's what I like. You can choose the message name, which is actually the subject line. So for example, we're going to choose a subject line. You also have to choose the SMTP. So you can integrate your own SMTP. You can integrate all sorts of SMTPs right here. So I think you can go to, I believe, the library. No, you can go here to Kyza Home. Then you go to settings and integrate your SMTP server. Now here, you're gonna type in your message name, your subject line. So this is the name that you only see. This is the campaign name. This is the subject line, the from name, and the from email. You choose one of the from emails that you previously added. So you have to actually add these details. Just go back to the Kyza Home and go to settings, and you have SMTP integration. You also have email integration, and you can add your own email as a sender email and the reply email. You choose the SMTP and then you click on next. So once you have everything chosen right here, once you've done everything, you're gonna go to the content section. So for some reason I cannot edit this, but anyways, you basically get the idea. Once you fill out all these information right here, you're gonna go straight to the add content, and you can create your email. Then you go to subscriber section, then you go to the send section where you can send your emails. We also have the autoresponder section where you can create different autoresponders. So you just click on create autoresponder and you choose the inline editor. Again, you just type in your message name, subscribers, and you choose the content, you add the targeted list, and you choose whenever you want to schedule your email, and that's basically what it does. Next, we have the stats, so you can view your newsletter and your autoresponder stats. We have the templates, so you can add different email templates. Now I'm gonna give you 15,000, I believe, in one of my bonuses. Yeah, I'm gonna give you, let me just scroll down a little bit. I forgot to add this, but I'm also gonna give you 15,000 done for you email swipes that you can copy and paste from. So these are the email templates that you can use from Kyza. You can also use one of the 15,000 email swipes that I'm gonna give you. You can go to my templates right here and then click on create, and you'll be able to add your own templates to here. And last, we have the forms, which is the opt-in form. You can click on create web form. You choose the list that you want to add the subscribers to. You click on next. So we're gonna choose, please choose a valid form name. So we're gonna choose, for example, Andrew, and then I'm gonna click on next, and we're gonna choose one of the done for you opt-in form templates. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one, select template. You can play around with this, and this is basically our opt-in page. We can edit it, we can play around with it, we can add a custom URL, a custom thank you page, we can redirect already subscribed members to another page, we can add double opt-in, and we can add another custom field like a first name. So let's just add the first name here, and we are done. We're gonna click on save and publish. So once we publish it, we can either take the JavaScript code and host it on our own platform, or we're gonna have it automatically hosted on the Kyza website. So if you open up this second link right here, you'll see that it's automatically hosted by Kyza, or you can add the HTML code to your website. So the choice is yours. So this is basically all the tools that you are gonna get access to. Now let's talk about the pricing upsell details. Everything you just saw is gonna be inside the front end members area. Now we have the standard version and we have the commercial version. So for the standard version, it's gonna be $34.95, and for the commercial version, it's gonna be $36.95 at the early bird price. Now the price will rise on upwards of $47 or $44.95 for the standard version, and for the commercial version is going to be $46.95 after 7 days. So after the launch is over, the prices will keep rising, and they will go up to like $67 after a month of the launch. So this is basically what you're going to get, all these features mentioned right here on the front end. And the only difference between the standard and the commercial is these three features. You get commercial license on the commercial version. You also get to use it for your clients on the commercial version, and you get to provide high and on-demand services. This is also a commercial version feature. So all these three features are included in the commercial for just $2 extra. So I highly recommend you to pick up the front end on the commercial version. It's an absolute no-brainer with my bonuses. Upsell number one is going to be the Kyza Elite, and we have two payment options, either one-time deal for $197 or $37 per month. So you can choose whichever one you want, and you get to break free and go limitless. So you can create unlimited businesses and subdomains, unlimited websites, unlimited lists, unlimited website visitors, unlimited bandwidth. You get unlimited features on everything. You get 200 additional done for you templates to leave your competition behind. You get to multiply your leads. You get a lot of cool features for just an extra $37 a month or $197 one time. There is a downsell for this at $67, but I'm not sure whether they get the same features for just $67 one time. Upsell number two is going to be the enterprise version. Now with enterprise, you get the social automation tool for Twitter, Pinterest, and Tumblr, Reddit, LinkedIn, and other traffic sources. You get to create unlimited visitor segments for your websites, and basically this is for your team management and your traffic management. You also get a cutting edge autoresponder for delivering personalized emails on automation. So the automation feature is actually one of the upsells. The automation feature on the email software is actually one of the upgrades. So you actually have to pick up the enterprise or the enterprise commercial in order for you to get access to that feature. Upsell number three is going to be the agency version for $67. You get to create your own 6 to 7 figure agency with the license to directly sell Kyza. So they're going to give you access to the Kyza software, and you can sell it to your customers. You can charge them monthly or recurring commissions. You get all the sales pages and all the graphics at the tap of a button. So this is going to cost you an additional $67 for the agency, or $97 for the agency commercial. And the option number 5 is going to be the membership. And the membership, we have 3 payment options, either $147 per month, $670 one time, or 3 payments or installments with $267. Now again, what I'm going to recommend you, rather than going ahead and picking up the front end and 1 or 2 upsells, because they are literally expensive, you can save yourself so much money if you pick up the bundle for just $297. So I highly urge you to pick it up, not because it's like $297, but because you get so much value. Like, you get the front end plus all the upsells, in which if you pick them up individually, it would literally cost you $815. So I would highly recommend you to pick up the bundle and save yourself a massive $518 only during the launch week. Now with that, you also get my bonuses, which makes it an absolute no-brainer. And that's basically it. This is my full Kyza review. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.